Oh, it barely hooked, barely hooked. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode fishing me, your boy DYangBass. Today I would open this intro by talking about this specific lure. Why? It's because I didn't do too much talking in this video because I just wanted to go out there, have some fun, catch up on some bass fishing like tactics and stuff like that, because you guys know I love bass fishing. When I'm fishing it, I'm in the zone. I don't talk as much because I'm just that determined to catch some largemouth bass, right? Because I just love bass fishing with all my heart, with all my passion. That's what I love to do. So I just want to talk real quick and break it down with you guys what I was using. I was using this Lucky Craft square bill right here. Okay, this is the chartreuse. If it focus, there we go. Chartreuse, black back. All right. So this lure right here is basically my butt saver. I've been using it for a while now. I fished it in tournaments. I think this lure came in clutch during the times when I feel like I wasn't catching anything or I was doing something wrong. I don't know. This is just my clutch lure, my confident crankbait that I use year round from spring till fall. Fall time is around the corner. It's actually here, and a lot of big bass, a lot of aggressive fish like walleyes, pike, muskies, crappies, right? All sorts of fish are hunting down for bait fish, so they're keen on stuff like this. So I highly recommend you guys to use a crankbait because it's just that good. It's just that awesome. I love using it. You can work it in all sorts of structures, weed line, docks, lay down, stuff like that. It's a great lure to use. This specific color right here is great when you're fishing darker water. You can use it in clear water too, but in my opinion, darker water, this color is the go-to color for me. I use different pattern here and there, but this guy will always be tied on first thing in the morning to catch yourself some nice big bass. All right. See, we catch some fish or two today, and I'm already snagged up in weeds. I saw one blow up. Not sure if that's a good sign or bad sign. I have no idea, but there's a lot of bait fish down there, which is pretty darn cool. Which is exciting to see, I guess you could say. Water is definitely a lot cooler. It's 70 degrees. It's probably cooler down there too. So let's see if we catch a fish for you guys. That time of the year, boys. This grass are still pretty healthy too. Some nice grass actually. Got one. I got a fish. I got a fish. Nice. Actually got one. Oh, nice. That's a nice bass. Nice bass. Nice bass. Oh, and I didn't get the net. Shoot. That's a nice bass. Oh. That's a nice bass. Oh, no, it popped off. No. That was a nice bass still getting the net. Shoot. Ah. Go, go, go. Pike. Jeez. You snatched it right out of my hand. What the heck? Alright, I got the net this time. There we go. Oh, jeez. Oh, gosh, this guy. Oh, relax. Relax, buddy. Definitely didn't want you, but okay, I'll take it. No skunk. Break the curse. I know, get a plier, but it's okay. Man on the edge. There we go. Nice little pike. Going back. Jeez. Okay, one fish. 5 more to go. Whoa, whoa, God, jeez, right by the boat. Whoa, it came out of nowhere. Oh, jeez, scared the crap out of me. Oh my gosh. He's freaking fish, man. I was just about to take my lure out and he smokes it. Oh, jeez, relax. Relax, relax. Gosh, came out of nowhere. Well, pike fishing it is, I guess. It's a little bigger. Whoa. Oh, jeez, relax, relax, relax. Yep, and you're gonna get yourself all tangled up. Gosh. Oh my gosh, this freaking fish. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna get the pliers out. Get the pliers out. Some good pikes too. Up, yep, relax, relax, gonna get blood all over me. Oh gosh. He freaking crushed it. There we go. Nice pike. See ya. Got, oh my god, nice. Dude, this is a school bass. Oh no, it popped off. Whoa. There's a school bass right there. That was so cool. I didn't think they were here. I tried to shake a grass off and they just grabbed it. Wow. That was crazy. I've never seen that before. Got him. There we go. That's a nice fish. Oh, it's a freaking pike, that's why. It's a pike. Oh man, it's Pike City, all right. Back hook too, you see that? I've been missing all day because of that right there. Dang. Pike City. Yep. Oh, they stink so bad. It's that season, that's why. And they just smell, guys. They smell like blood, just straight up blood. There we go. More pikes for y'all. See ya. Go. Oh, it's a nice largemouth. Finally. That's a nice largemouth. That's a nice largemouth. Yeah. No, chill. Relax. Oh gosh. Barely hooked too. Oh no. Yeah. Oh, and it popped off. Nice. Oh, finally. Gosh. Finally got one, guys. He's not even that big. I mean, it's a good one, but oh, and he smells like raw fish. That's so cool. Sheesh. All right, catch and release. Mission accomplished. Oh my gosh. Oh God, come on. Nice. Oh, it's a pike. Oh, and he hooks himself. Good job, buddy. Oh my gosh. See ya. God, that's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. That's a big bass. That's a big bass. Stay on, stay on. That's a big, no. Stay on, stay on. That's a big bass. Oh no, no. My net is caught. That's a big bass. Yeah. Oh, it barely hooked, barely hooked. I gotta get down. No, geez, don't jump, don't jump. That's a nice bass. Yes, I got him. Oh, right by the boat launch. Look at that thing. Oh my gosh. Never give up, guys. Just never give up. Dude freaking choked it. Oh my gosh. My freaking net was caught on a hook. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. Way to end the video, guys. Way to freaking end the video. That's a nice bass right there. Ah, nice. Oh my gosh. That's a nice bass. Wow. Nice chunky fish. See ya. Woo! Yes. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it's just a quick outing, just me and the day kind of deal, and just, you know, have a good time, catch some bass, throw some crankbaits and stuff like that. Moving bait is your best choice right now in the fall time up here in the Midwest. So if I were you guys, grab a crankbait, go out there and crank some weed line and catch yourself some fish. So stay tuned, I'll see you guys on the water really soon.